It used to be that analysts who didn't know how to code were just stuck to Excel. They used Excel for data analysis, then built charts and graphs to present their findings, all within Excel. But think about it. Excel is useful, but it's very simple in terms of presenting data. That's why Microsoft built Power BI. Power BI is the leading business intelligence tool, and that's what I'm going to teach you in this course. My name is John David Arianson, and I'm the co-founder at Silvertone Analytics. In my job, I help businesses better understand and make use of their data. And in this course, I want to share with you how you can use Power BI to take your analytics skills to the next level. I'll share the basics of Power BI and how to make the transition from Excel into an effective Power BI user. You'll learn how to connect to an Excel file, build a data model, then visualize the underlying trends of that data source. By the end of this course, you'll be ready to dive into Power BI and unlock insights on your own data sources. So if you're ready, then let's go.